All right, everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. I am back from Papa Murphy's Take and Bake Pizza, and I do have a pizza that we're gonna test today. This is their 14-inch Take and Bake pan pizza. I ordered cheese pizza because I really want to taste the quality of the cheese, sauce, and the crust. So I want no toppings on it. This is my first time trying Papa Murphy's pizza, so I'm kind of excited. I want to see how it compares to the ready-to-bake pizza that you can buy at your grocery store or Walmart, and see if it's better than that. So the pizza comes with baking instructions. So we're going to bake this pizza at 425, 12 to 18 minutes. Here's what the pizza looks like pre-bake. I have to tell you guys, the pizza looks really, really good. Papa Murphy's Take and Bake Pizza. Beautifully baked. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Wow, that looks nice. That looks really, really nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, guys. Nice and crispy. I mean, I'm impressed. So far, so good. I hope it tastes good. I have to tell you guys, I'm pleasantly surprised how this pizza baked. It baked in exactly 12 minutes, which was the lowest estimate by Papa Murphy's, and it baked beautifully. It's brown. I got a beautiful brown crust. The cheese is melted and bubbly. Everything. It smells great. So let me pick a slice out and let's test it out. I'm really, really impressed so far by Papa Murphy's. So here's the top of the slice. Here's the bottom of the slice. Crust. It's from the side. Really, really good. Crust is my favorite thing on this pizza. Cheese is good. The sauce reminds me of like Pizza Hut Domino's kind of sauce. So not my favorite. Not horrible though. I'm going to say that I prefer this pizza to pizzas from like Albertsons, Smith's, or Walmart. This pizza is better than their versions of Take and Bake Pizza. the pluses of this pizza, obviously you don't have to make it, and you can bake it at your own convenience. So if you want to eat pizza at 3 o'clock in the morning, you can pull it out of the fridge and make this pizza. It's not frozen. It tastes 100 times better than any frozen pizza I ever had. So yeah, there's pluses to Papa Murphy's. Very good pizza. Very good job, Papa Murphy's. Thank you guys for watching Parks and Pizza, and I'll see you in the next video.